Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter right here. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get right into it. We got a few questions to ask and we got some things to talk about. So check it out right here on the Mr. Show. redpillrixter. Let's do this.
When we've all heard the question, what are you bringing to the table?
All right.
For years.
Right.
So when they're asking this question to women, they are not asking for the same reasons.
Okay.
Men do not care what you have in your purse. They are asking, what kind of woman are you?
Right.
Now that this question is being posed to women, it is exposing all of the women who really have no real character, because that's why they're upset.
True.
He just wants to know, are you agreeable? Are you peaceful? Do you like to cook? Can you keep a clean house? Do you want children? How do you feel about family? Do you involve people in your relationships? Do you go toe to toe with your men? How is your mouth when you're in an argument?
There's never been a time in your life, other than protecting yourself from a potential attacker, that you choosing to be masculine has worked out better for you than you choosing to be feminine.
Okay.
It's never a time that when you choose masculinity, that it has a better outcome with men than you choosing femininity. You have to harness your superpower. Your feminine nature is a superpower. Your soft girl energy is a superpower. Being soft is actually a strong woman. Weak women are the ones that try to act like they're strong when they're really not. Because if you masculine women want to be men, y'all would be the weakest in the street. You can't push the goddamn couch up the stairs. Hoes can't change the oil.
Yeah. Yo, we love that. Listen.
Feminine nature is a superpower. Your soft girl energy is a superpower. Being soft is actually a strong woman. Weak women are the ones that try to act like they're strong when they're really not. Because if you masculine women want to be men, y'all would be the weakest in the street. You can't push the goddamn couch up the stairs. Hoes can't change the oil. Can't goddamn beat nobody ass. If women were actually trying to be men, they would be the weakest in the world.
Wow.
Stop doing that. And harness your superpowers, because if you learned how to shut up, be soft, be submissive, be feminine, you could get just about everything you wanted from a man. All you would have to do is bat your eyes and stand up.
He needs some milk.
No, he doesn't. He was talking some real good stuff right there. Now, look at this scene right here. The club is empty, but Shorty is supporting her man. This is what you need, bro. If a woman ain't supporting you like this, yo,
I'm glad they train our military for real emergencies.
Which
35.
That's good. That was good. Everybody like and subscribe, all right? Because I go through about 4 or 5 different shows per video, right? So check this out. Married woman, check this out. And look at how she handles her business and stays married.
Are you single?
No, I'm married.
How long now?
We've been married for 15 years.
So how do you keep a relationship lasting that long?
There's a lot of give and take from both sides. It's not 50-50. It's a...
Keep a relationship lasting that long?
There's a lot of give and take from both sides. It's not 50-50. It's a 100% on each side, and communication is very key.
If your husband said, hey, let's spice it up by bringing another chicken, would you be open to that?
All right, so does she look... Say something in the comments. I don't know. Does she look like the type that would be, spicing it up by bringing a third person in? And take a look at her. What do you think? Do you think she's a type? All right, let's play it.
I mean, yes, we've done it.
Wait, you've actually done it before?
Well, there's no bad thing about spicing up your sex life. I mean, as long as everybody knows what's going on and agrees to what's going on, there's nothing wrong with it.
But most people would look at this and go, a marriage is supposed to be that true commitment.
Good shorty right here.
So what makes you feel like it's different now in modern day?
I think there's a lot of people that have a misconception about it all. He gets kind of that itch out with the other person, but I'm still involved.
Rewind that piece.
Like it's different now in modern day.
I think there's a lot of people that have a misconception about it all. He gets kind of that itch out with the other person, but I'm still involved, and that person goes home, and then we reconnect, and it's beautiful.
You're in a relationship.
Cool. All right. Now, what this girl's talking about is if you're in a relationship, you shouldn't be out on road picking up people or meeting new friends, so to speak. So let's see what she's saying.
I don't think you should be picking up opposite sex friends. Women, you got to understand this. When a man that just met you off the street has no reason to respect you as an individual. He might respect women in general. Like, I won't disrespect a woman. I'm not going to hit a woman. Like, in general. Care about that man. That man is not trying to be your friend. He does not care. He's going to take advantage of the fact that he's fresh. You got no reason to not like him because you don't know him like that.
See, this girl's smart, you know. She must have older brothers and she probably hangs out with a lot of guys still, but she also knows when to draw the line because you have no reason to not like him. See, but you also have to understand that he don't care. He don't care about anything that you're dealing with or you're no man or anything like. Let's keep going, yo. Girl's talking some sense, bro.
He's gonna take advantage of the fact that he's fresh.
Right.
You got no reason to not like him because you don't know him like that. He done nothing wrong yet, and he doesn't care about your man at all. He doesn't care about your future at all. He does not care about your goals at all.
Right.
He's trying to see, like, is there a weak point? What if she says she got a man? What's she doing talking to me?
Number one. Any true G can see, right? That's the first thing that any true G is going to be saying one time. And what?
I just got to know exactly why you needed a little bit of extra attention.
Right? Women hate that. They hate to be told that they're looking for attention. But that's exactly what they're doing. Go on.
Women think that you think because you told a man that you got a man, if anything, you look like a mark. You might be easier than the single lady who's really happy on her own because you must be frustrated. You must be wanting in some way.
Right?
Like I just gotta see where he not getting it.
See how she can think like a man? That's her thinking like a man right there. Very masculine, analyzing like, why is this girl giving me the time of day? Why is this girl even, acknowledging anything I say? If she say she got a man, maybe things ain't good at home. Like, I mean, the minute you step out of line, every true G can see, bro.
Like a mark. You might be easier than the single lady who's really happy on her own because you must be frustrated. You must be wanting in some way.
Yep.
Like I just gotta see where he not getting it.
Right.
And I'm gonna feel that spot.
Feel that spot, figuratively speaking, and with all pun and blood clot tended. Go on.
Oh.
What do you call minding man?
Now, minding man, for all the people that are not Jamaican, that means taking care of a nigga. That means taking care of a man, so watch out.
Because giving a man money don't mean say you mind him. Like, if it's a man that take care of you and take care of things, and you give him money if you need it, nothing is wrong with that. Some of you act like man no forget nothing. And you alone forget things. And then, when you see a female, a treat her man nice, you have it say she a mind her man. So what are they? So him not deserve good treatment too. Him not deserve forget good treatment too. I just woman alone forget good treatment. And
alright, so the ladies that are from another country that's watching my podcast here, and they're like trying to figure out what this lady's saying, just listen closely. She's speaking very good English actually, and then she's mixing that in with that Jamaican patois. Big up all the Jamaican them. Listen.
Giving a man money don't mean say you mind him. Like if it's a man that take care of you and take care of things, and you give him money if you need it, nothing is wrong with that. Some of you act like man no forget nothing. And you alone forget things. And then when you see a female, a treat her man nice, you have it say she a mind her man. So what are they? So So him not deserve good treatment too. Him not deserve to get good treatment too. I just woman alone to get good treatment, and I say it work. Man to get good treatment too. So when you see a real woman, I take care of a real man.
Shut your face. Yo, this girl, big up still. I wonder what parish of Jamaica she's from. Can you tell by the accent? Any real Jamaicans out there? Type it in. Is she from St. James? Is she from St. Anne's? Is she from St. Mary? Is she from Portland? Manchester? What kind of accent did she have? She has a Jamaican local accent. What kind of accent was that, my Jamaican friends? Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
We don't talk about how women date their sons.
Oh boy, here's a sensitive topic. I'm just going to let it run. Guess what happens? Women get upset about this one here. Yeah, you kick out the man and then you turn your son into the man that you want. But I ain't going to say it. Let her talk about it.
And single mothers oftentimes do everything but their sons. Ooh. And that's the reason why I say, a single mother is a boy factory. But single women become so emotionally dependent upon their children, specifically their sons, that they will convince themselves that they don't need a man. Because this boy is not your son, he is your man.
Oh boy.
When you want to cuddle, you go lay down with them. When you want some emotional time, you go watch movies with them. You touch them and you rub them and you massage them. And you do these things, everything that you would do to a man to suffice that. A lot of women even dress their sons like the man that broke their heart.
The son-husband complex. And he's
the son-husband complex. We ain't lying. The son-husband complex, people. Let's go. Let's hear that one more time.
Talk about how women date their sons. And single mothers oftentimes do everything but their sons. And that's the reason why I say, a single mother is a boy factory. But single women become so emotionally dependent upon their children, specifically their sons, that they will convince themselves that they don't need a man. Because this boy is not your son, he is your man. When you want to cuddle, you go lay down with them. When you want some emotional time, you go watch movies with them. You touch them and you rub them and you massage them. And you do these things, everything that you would do to a man to suffice that. A lot of women even dress their sons like the man that broke their heart.
Complex. And he's that de facto hubby or emotional tampon, for lack of a better term.
Wisdom.
Some single moms do use their sons as son husbands in terms of like toys. Like when they want to watch a movie, they're hugged up with the son, want to love bomb, or basically just get some type of affection.
Emotional labor.
Yeah, and even going as far as dressing the son up like their man. When he gets into a relationship later on in life, she wants to be the wife.
That's just crazy, and it's true. Don't even get it twisted like that. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show.